Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. Today we are going to analyze Solana. So, Solana, guys, I'm going to straight on long term and then I'll break even the short term. So, long term, we are remember Solana started all the way from this area. This dot here telling you it was a time to buy. When it was around $8 and since then we don't have any sales. What does that mean long term Solana it has still have very good chance to move high before huge downside. So here is the thing, guys. So here is the thing about the Solana right now. So we are watching on monthly and we have consolidated this man between 145, 120, 128 or 121 to 145 on Solana. So we are going to watch if this man will close above 125 or above. If we will close, we need to go to above 140. So 140 is the one where we is very line of insane. And even let me delete that thing, and I will try to put the same thing. If so, guys, this is the call. So we want to set the volume. Okay, we need to set the volume and also maybe the VWAP. And remember, right now we are going to take from the long term. Okay, from the low. So it's telling you when you put down here, it will tell you 25, and then if you put this all-time high here, which is going to be around 295 here, so we can put that on here again, and you'll see these two things here is telling you like or if you put from bottom it was 125, and you see even the volume, the 125 was the bottom and 1/4. So if you say okay, we don't need that one, so we need to put something on the long term, and it's the same thing. So on monthly or even on daily, so below 140 is not good for Solana. So you see, guys, closing this below 125, you see we don't have, you see the lowest price and the sellers, and you can bring this thing all the way to $25, or if you push here, you see there is a lot of sellers, but we are on the pair right now on the volume. And also another thing which is very important, we are going to put this one, we're going to put VWAP here. Yeah, that's a long-term VWAP, which is telling you what is going to happen. So let me delete this one. So this VWAP is telling you if you put from bottom 103 is very above 103 on long term, it's still bullish. Above 100, guys, it's very bullish. Again, that's the long term VWAP. And if you want, I can to put this VWAP on like if you stay on highest, that's the highest up there, and you will see. And I'm going to delete this one. So on the VWAP here, remember this VWAP started middle of where it closes on that tall candlestick, which is around 220. I'm telling 174, below 174, and if right now is out of the pant. Okay, let's now break down time frame now to weekly. So on a weekly here, this was my targets, but I don't need all of this right now. Remember, long time guys, I'm targeting 6,500 on Solana. So right now I'm loading some ETF. Watching this, I've already show you that this is the strong sub right now, 130, and anything can happen guys. Either will be leg up or leg down. So always this is the station consolidating either this way or the other way. So yeah, so we saw this pie on weekly. Every time this dots is time to load up. Right now we don't have this on weekly touch dots, and which is telling you 75% for probability this thing still on long term to go down. Even on daily right now here you will see we're respecting that uptrend lines, and it's already forming these are bearish guys resistance which are already forming, and we are watching that 100, and you see if I even view yourself like this thing can be dropped very easy. Okay, so we saw on 4-hour chat pie it came in, tell you we don't have any sale, but we've already say we can watch these numbers here, which have already put you on that short time frame on Solana. Yeah, so another thing here right now, we saw a pie. You see this dot now. This is another thing. Every time like to short or so it was red here. This red is was a pie. The green dot to sell, and here we are under the pie on 45 minutes chart, and I don't know what we are waiting for right now, but that is a pie. So BTC right now, when we are talking, BTC is dipping. So after signaling sell on double top, and we had that yesterday on buying that. So that's this we are looking for re-entry for call and put, and forming 194 as a huge resistance. So if this rally guys is not going to be huge, yeah, so Bitcoin also hits this one pie. Remember we have 75k to 74k as a support. Sometimes it may be retraced, but 2026, yeah, something like that guys. Thanks so much and have a nice day.